My name's Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a 180 no comply. Welcome to one of the coolest, trendiest, hippest, coolest, most epicest tricks in all of skateboarding history. The frontside 180 no comply. Yes, if you got this, you have style, grace, and elegance. Just look it up anywhere, that's what it says. Frontside 180 no comply, style, grace, and elegance. So there are many steps to this trick. Tricks that you should know before you do this could be debatable, but I'm just gonna throw these out there as good tricks to know before you should do this. Ollie, make sure you got your ollies. Frontside 180, if you have your frontside 180s, it will help. I guarantee you there's gonna be that guy in the comments who says, well, the no comply is easier than the frontside 180. And I'm gonna say, okay, but here's the deal. Frontside 180, you're learning the shoulder turn, you're learning to pop your board, and then with the no comply, you're adding in an additional factor of stepping off with your front foot. You might think, oh, well, that makes it easier, but does it? Does it really? So would you rather no comply 180 off of 5-stair or frontside 180 off of 5-stair? Leave it in the comments below. I think I'd rather frontside 180 off 5-stair. In fact, I know I would. Okay, so here are the steps. I'm gonna give you the most basic practice steps there is to break this down into the very easiest gradients, how I teach all of skateboarding, and hopefully you learn it. 180 no comply, let's get ya. Okay, so you have your feet like this. I always put my front foot kind of like turned. I don't know why, for whatever reason, that helps me sort of step off. And so breaking this into the various practice steps, literal first practice step is when you're doing the full trick, it's gonna look like this, your foot position. So covering the foot position first just like that. But for the first practice step, you're going there. I'm gonna step off just like this. And when you step off, it's not just with your foot, but look at my head and shoulders too. Turning, turning. Yes, we are turning. Okay, so now that you got that idea down, you're gonna have your shoulders more squared up like this after the turn. And the next step is this right here. Just a little pop and a scoop. You're gonna do that as many times until you're so comfortable. Best is if you can leave your back foot on that board and turn with it. You can only do that if your head and shoulders are turned. Keep that in mind. Leave your foot on there, control it as best as you can, and that's it. I love this trick. I think it's perfect for new beginners because you can break it down. So watch this. Step off, pop it, step on. Okay, we did the trick. We just did it really, really slow. So check this out. I'm rolling, step off, pop it, step on. I did it. I did it, first try. I should probably add this into my mix for beginner tricks, actually. There you go. A really slow, really bad frontside 180 no comply. But now here, check this out. Look what it looks like when I speed it up. How sick is that? Am I right? You're rolling, back foot on the tail, step off, pop it. And on this, I pop as the same time as I step off. The timing is crucial. And then it's 180 around. Leave your back foot on the board as much as possible. It's very good control. Just like that. Like I was saying, you want to keep your back foot, it wants to be like locked into that skateboard, because what that's doing is preventing your skateboard from going this way or that way. It's really keeping it solid. So simultaneous step off, pop, and spin, and land. Yeah, and then just repeat that. Just do it everywhere, get really good at it. Yeah, I just love that trick. So fun, so much style. Well, I guess style depending on how you do it. Leave it in the comments below if you think this is stylish. That's the frontside 180 no comply. Once you get that down, it's an absolute blast. And then you can do variations like this. First try. Yeah. No comply 180 is probably one of the best ways to show how I teach all of the skateboard tricks, because you can very easily and simply break down the practice steps. So you stand there, front foot off, back foot on the tail, pop it, do a 180, land with your back foot, and then step on the board. And you can do that in very distinct motions. Step off, pop the 180, put the foot back on. And then from there, all you're doing is taking those 3 motions and making them into one fast motion. You're just speeding it up. So you're basically just gonna be riding, step off, pop the 180, step back on. Now, if you're really skilled at this, this is the difference. So you're standing there, you step off, you pop it, and now your board, all 4 wheels are on the ground, and then you put your other foot on. A really skilled skateboarder who can do this really fast, and this is what you guys can practice. Film your videos, send them in to me, I love to see it. I'm on this whole mission right now to get as many new skaters into skateboarding, and hopefully that means some of you on the other side of that computer and or phone screen, whatever you got. So here's the goal here. You're gonna film it in slow motion, or regular, but slow motion is easier to see. Step off, pop it, and jump both feet on the board while the board is in the air. That's the goal. So both feet on the board in the air, and then land with all 4 wheels down, and you're gonna roll away, switch, or fakie, however you wanna call it. So again, we're gonna recap these steps. Get riding, comfortable speed, step off your front foot, pop that 180, jump in the air, get both feet on, land, switch, and roll away into the sunset like a boss. And that is the frontside 180 no comply. This is one of the coolest, funnest tricks. I just find it so fun. I do it all the time. Throw it around, regular switch, just do the 180 no comply. It's super, super, super fun. Some people don't count this in a game of skate. They say no feet on the ground. Okay, but you know what? Not everything's about a game of skate and rules. It's about breaking the rules and having fun riding your skateboard. And I know when you get this trick down, you're gonna be having an absolute blast. So I hope you guys are learning how to skateboard. Look out for the whole video series that I'm doing. I think I'm gonna upload it once a week. Every Tuesday, we have a new tutorial video, and I think we're gonna start the boot camp soon. So that will be 10 videos, 10 weeks, taking you from brand new skater, absolute beginner, through kickflip. So if you have friends that you're like, oh, my friend Pete, he's always wanted to skateboard. This is the video series for you coming up soon, boot camp. Let's go, let's get it. I hope you guys are having an absolute blast learning how to skateboard and growing skateboarding all over the world. That is the mission. I'm gonna be making some update videos soon on the Braille Army channel and just pushing this out there, getting you guys, yes you, involved in getting new people into skateboarding. This is the goal, this is the mission, this is where we're headed. It's go time. It is time to take more new people, more new skaters, get them into skateboarding and have an absolute blast. Just like you love skateboarding. No skaters hating skaters, no skaters saying, oh, that's not cool. Get out there at your skate park, help beginners start, help new people come in, get involved with the community, help this community grow. That's what it's about, and that's what we're here for at BrailleSkateboarding.com. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys need anything else or have any specific tutorials you want to learn, leave it in the comments below. I've been answering tons of comments every single day, so I hope to see yours. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We have everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com, including the Best Beginner Complete. The Best Beginner Complete is there, and you can get it and get started.